From the farthest place that I have come, this is the first I can say that this is the little rivulet or river that I begin crossing it. So this is the way in a remotest Karbi village that I am going to visit. You see the road, the condition of the road. Now we are going through this orchard garden, or you can see all these areas are full of oranges plants. Here it is a very big oranges garden. This is the road we are going through. This is the road. This is the another second river that we are crossing. See there, we are going. This is the path in the forest. This road is the way to reach that remotest village. This is the way. Oh, so the road is full of. See, again we are climbing a little sloping. This is the way. So beside the way you can hear the river flowing sound. There is the river. This is the biggest bamboo shoot. People are coming here to take bamboo shoot. This is the bamboo shoot. Oh, very big in size. Now we can see it begins the village paddy field from here. So this is the paddy field of the village. In Kaziranga area, it is one of the remotest place. The village is mostly settled by Karbi people. So right now I am standing in the middle of this paddy field of the village that I am going to show you. You can see the view. With this a little meager paddy field, with this as a sustainable crop, they are living here. And there's a little rivulet also here. See, the Karbi tribe are settling in remotest. They are friendly with the natural. So this is the village. See there, a woman is fetching firewood. The road to their houses, you see the condition of the way. I think during summertime one cannot climb this, but see, they have the habit of going from their house to the place where they work. See, so sloping the way is. City dwellers, I think you can't survive living in the remotest village. You see. So this is the village. See their house and their compound area. You do see the village of Karbi tribe. This is the village. The way is so narrow and so congested. You do see the construction is going on here. Okay, the settlers or the villagers of this. See, a lot of coconut trees are planted here in this village. See. The home of Karbi tribe, you see. Oh, we are again proceeding to the place where we aimed for. See, from the top of the village hill you can see the view. Oh. However, the top of the mountain they are residing, you can see the pillars of the house. They are using this concrete cement pillar. See, the Karbi tribe, those who are living in remote areas, as they do not have the accessibility of road and transportation, though they are using tin roof, but see the structure which is used, especially they have been using this wild bamboo. You can see the house. But however, it's good to hear the news that they are having this solar system for lighting their houses. The highest point of this village, the school is established or built here. This is LP school, lower primary section. It is surrounded by beautiful hills and mountains. How are you? What is your name?
My name is.
What is your name?
My name is Sarkim Longpa.
In which class do you read? Class. You tell your class. Class 1 or class nursery?
Class 1.
Oh, good. Hi. Now we are leaving the village. Okay. What is your name? Cute girl. Tell
My
your
name
name.
is Malinda Karbi.
Oh, good. And your name? Will you tell your name?
My name is Songsarumpa.
What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? School man. What is the name of your school?
My name is Songsarumpa.
What is the name of your school?
Songsar.
Now we are returning from the village. It is going to be dark now. Nó có nhiều người
Rất vui thẳng tới lượt đi.
làng lề lỡเขาปลูกลานไทยเขาหลักตุ่มพาเขาก็ละแกละปนกันเลย